Guys.
Meredith, don't talk at all. Yeah.
Okay.
What I said. Hello guys, I'm here with the second part on Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And like I said, I'm just gonna go through this. What could go wrong? Nothing could go wrong. I'm gonna play till I die.
What if you die on the first night?
I won't die. Ooh. But, okay, I know. Get off my screen. There we go.
Welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Oh, it doesn't stop winding down until I get 3.
Expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on this new animatronic. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, look at you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot thinking he was an endoskeleton without his costume on and wanting to stuff you into the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up, piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
I don't think Balloon Boy comes until the second night.
Who's Balloon Boy? The Balloon Boy thing?
Wrong button again. They're scary on here. They're very scary.
Luke.
They eat your face.
You know what you have to do to win is just keep the mask on till it turns 6 o'clock.
I think you may suffocate.
What?
I think you may suffocate.
They said you can keep it on for as long as you need to.
Meredith. They also said you're going to be completely safe and there's no danger.
You can keep it on till you suffocate. That's weird.
And you can't check the cameras and stuff when you keep it on. That makes really no sense. Then move. the music box protects you against Foxy. Oh, Camp 3.
Camp 3. Look in Camp 3 again.
Here's easier, because you can see them in the hall before they attack you. So you have time to put on your mask. Well, you're dead, Foxy.
Look at 03 again. After you warm it up.
Yep.
You don't even need the light in there. Look at 03 again. It's gone.
Not any of the vents, that's good. And not right there.
Look in the vents. But did I just see somebody?
Where?
No, that was Spoon Boy. Just... If you die on this night.
Where is it? Oh no.
Who was that?
Freddy.
Wait, Freddy moved?
Freddy's in the hallway. Still there, still there.
Come on, put it on.
Get away!
Keep it! Come on.
We're all gonna die! Freddy, go away! Freddy, you're being mean! No, 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 no!
Keep it on and then check it real quick.
Chica's in the hall.
Wait, Freddy went and then Chica popped up.
Freddy's back! Freddy's
Stop.
back! What? Why didn't you say you'll stop at me? Freddy's still there.
When is he gonna turn 6?
He's still there. Toy Chica's in the vents.
Just keep it on.
Oh no, Toy Chica's in the vents.
Has Toy Chica move?
They're scared away, they're scared away. They're not scared. Yeah!
Are you gonna try to beat night 2?
No, I'm gonna not do this night right now, guys. This is gonna be I'm gonna put that in another video. I'm gonna release it tomorrow. Bye!
What is she gonna do?